In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate and find wholesale products on Shein using Google. We'll focus on a simple search technique that can help you explore a wide range of products, such as socks, in bulk and at competitive prices. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we'll start by opening up your favorite web browser and heading directly to Google. It's the most popular search engine for a reason. It's efficient and straightforward. Once you have Google open, the possibilities are practically endless, but today we'll keep our focus specifically on finding wholesale items on Shein. Now to get started, bring your attention to the search bar right in the middle of the Google homepage. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to click on it to activate it, allowing you to type in whatever you're searching for. For this example, we're going to search for wholesale socks. Typing the word wholesale before your item is key because it signals to Google that you're looking for bulk purchase options rather than individual items. And while we're using socks as our search item, you can replace socks with any product you're interested in buying wholesale, whether it's t-shirts, hats, or anything else. Once you've typed in wholesale socks, go ahead and press enter or click on the search icon. You'll notice that the results pop up very quickly, listing various options for buying socks in bulk, sometimes as many as 100 pairs or more, all at specific prices. Shein is one of the platforms that often show up during this type of search because of its wide selection and competitive pricing, especially for wholesale buyers. It's a great way to get quality products at a reduced rate, perfect for anyone looking to start a business or just wanting to stock up on essentials. Browsing through these results, you can see different options based on your preferences. Perhaps you're interested in a particular style, fabric, or price point. Spend some time going through the results until you find the option that suits you best. The process is seamless and allows you to compare prices and products easily without having to bounce between numerous pages or sites. And just like that, you've mastered a simple yet powerful technique to search for wholesale products on Shein using Google. It's a great way to streamline your shopping experience, making it both productive and enjoyable. If you follow these steps, you'll find it easier to manage your searches and purchases more effectively in the future. So go ahead and give it a try the next time you're in the market for wholesale shopping online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this process helps make your online shopping experience smoother and more efficient. Feel free to leave any questions or share your experiences in the comments below. Happy shopping!